Yo, what's up mga Mochi? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and for today's reaction video, I'm going to react to excuse me, Buses and Trains by Bachelor Girl. So, Bachelor Girl are an Australian pop duo formed in 1992. Whoa. By Tania Doko as the vocalist and James Roche. I don't know how to pronounce his name, as musician, producer, and arranger. Their 1998 debut single, Buses and Trains, which I'm going to react, was a top 10 hit in Australia and New Zealand. And this song is from their album Waiting for the Day. Same year release, 1998. And reached the top 20 on the ARIA Albums Chart. So, other details about it, I will put on the description box. Okay, years active. So, 1992, then, and in 2003, then go back in 2011, and then go back in 2018 to present. So I'm glad that this duo is still active now. So Bachelor Girl. Okay, shout out to the one who requested this song to me. Thank you for requesting. Without further ado, I'm going to react to Buses and Trains by Bachelor Girl. Okay, I think she's the vocalist. Yes. Oh, the lyrics, it's different. Just let out in this world without knowing anything, or I think her mother failed to share what she experienced or what she learned in this what she learned through that experience, like that. So in short, her mom failed to guide her, I think. Excuse me. But okay. Just the lyrics, it's different. Oh yeah. Oh, so that's why it's buses and trains. Oh. Oh no. It reminds me of someone. I think this song is, fits to my friend. Okay, because it's a friend of mine, and I think the meaning of this song relates to my friend. I felt so good and I want to do it again. So even though she hurt, or you know, I don't know how can I explain this. Okay, she hurt. I mean, for example, have a breakup, and she's gone through a not so good relationship with someone that destroying or damaging her image, or his meant I don't know how to explain like that. So that's enough. So even though she experienced that, I think she's immune, or you know, she's chasing it, like I want to do it again. Like I don't care if I get hurt, but I'm used to it like that. I'm used to it, so I want to do it again, like that. She became numb. And again, she's dumb. She get dumb. Oh. Okay, I like how this music video is simple, but it shows the message of the song. Just the moving of the camera, and then okay, here we go. I think she has 3 partners or 4 partners already in this music video, and it showed how they leave her, like that. It's a simple music video, but the story is in it. Is in it. It's complete. And it's clear. It is a clear explanation of the music video. And her voice is really emotional. Like she's keeping that emotion behind her smile. Reject. Mom for you. Okay, thank you for watching this reaction video, mga kamochi. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.